Cold weather's had me running non-stop.
Get this junk out
Wait,
of here.
seriously, let's talk about this. You seem like a bunch of reasonable guys. Listen, it's not fair. I can't compete with these water-furnished geothermal units.
What are we gonna do with this thing?
You could let me go.
Guess we can recycle it.
Blow it up!
Help.
When we install an efficient new water-furnished geothermal unit in your home, we'll be glad to get rid of your old furnace as part of the deal. Parker Heating and Cooling, your water-furnished geothermal expert.